Hi guys, welcome to the short video about the question what I think is the best coffee for such automatic vacuum cold brew makers. I've been trying a lot and now this is my preferred coffee at the moment, and here in this video I'm going to tell and show you why this is. So let's open this thing. By the way, it's called Wake Up Joe coffee, medium roast ground coffee. What I'm also missing here, like with most of the ground coffee, is that they are not saying how fine the coffee ground is. I mean, you can grind it very fine, medium or rough. And for the cold brew making, it's very important to have it not too fine. And luckily this is the case, even though they are not saying that. That's the only information here what we have. They are just saying it's in between of light and dark, but really nothing about how fine or rough the coffee grounds are. And by the way, it's not just me saying that we need a little bit rougher ground coffee for the cold brew making machines. They also say it in the instructions manual, because the fine ground can clog the mesh here and then it's not working anymore, could even damage the machine. I have tried it once, it worked somehow, but it was not a good experience. So I'm definitely sticking with the rougher one, because it has also another huge advantage when we see that here, how we can pour it into this strainer. Here you can see it works very well, and this is something which you don't have with a very fine ground. That's definitely not going to happen. You can see how nicely this works. You don't need any additional tool, or so you can just pour it out of this bag here, maybe shake it a little bit down, clean it, then we put on this additional strainer, put this thing here inside and add this thing. And what you see here is that we use a lot of equipment. We have a couple of items here, strainer, this plastic here, also of course the whole machine, and that means a lot of cleaning. And then it depends on how oily a coffee is, and I can tell you this is one of the coffee grounds with very few oil. Unfortunately, I can't tell you the whole science about the oil in the coffee beans or coffee grounds, but as far as I know, the more oil means that it has been stored for longer time, and actually the less oil the better, I would say. Usually more fresh, and that's also a very good thing. And here in this case means, of course, we have much easier cleaning of the whole machinery here. And it also has a very good taste. I would say it's on par with the best mainstream coffees which we can find, maybe like Starbucks also. Absolutely nothing to complain about the taste. And of course what's also important is that it's not too expensive. There are some quite expensive ground coffee around, and this is not the case. I mean, it's not a super cheap one. I mean, of course you can buy cheaper one probably at Walmart, Aldi, whatsoever, but I think it's also not too expensive. It's in a good price range. I think you can find the Joe in some supermarkets or even on Amazon in a good price range. I've just found a listing with a 2-pound bag for a little bit more than $20, which I think is a really good value for a really good quality coffee. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.